Figuring out whether to swap out your entire HVAC system or just fix the air conditioner or furnace is a big deal that'll impact your next few decades. In this video, we'll break down when it makes sense to replace both and when it's okay to stick with one. I'm Bobby Johnson, representing Golden Rule. Our air conditioners and furnaces don't last forever. Yours might have just given up the ghost, or maybe you've been considering an upgrade. The big question is, should I change them both out at once? The answer depends on what we're about to discuss. We'll go over why it's a good idea to replace the air conditioner and furnace together, and when it's all right to skip that. Let's start with why it might be smart to swap out both at the same time. First off, it can save you some cash. You won't have to fork out money for separate labor and permits. Plus, many companies give you deals if you get the whole package. On average, a new air conditioner runs you around $7,000, and a furnace replacement is between $7,000 and $10,000. Doing both together can be easier on your wallet. Another reason is making sure your HVAC setup fits your home. We've got to size these things right for your house, otherwise you'll pay more for energy, dealing with temperature up and downs, and facing breakdowns sooner than you'd like. The third thing to consider is if you're planning to upgrade your air conditioner, newer models come with fancy features like multiple speed compressors and smart technology. If you're swapping out an old single stage air conditioner for a high-tech one, you'll need a furnace to keep up. The fourth perk is improved comfort. New gear with multiple speed blowers can fix those annoying hot and cold spots in your home, save you money on your bills, and if you go for a system with smart tech, you can keep your home's temperature within half a degree all year. Lastly, keeping your warranties in sync is a good reason. Most manufacturers give you a 10-year or longer warranty if you do properly yearly maintenance. Replacing both systems makes it easier to keep track of warranties. But there are times when it's okay to hold off on replacing both. Maybe it's just about money, the age of your current system, or you're planning to move soon. The first situation is when you're swapping out your furnace. Your air conditioner needs the furnace to work, but the furnace doesn't depend on the air conditioner. If you upgrade to a furnace with variable speed, your air conditioner will still work, and it might even work better. Variable speed blowers in the furnace can keep your home's temperature steady. When it comes time to replace the air conditioner, just make sure it's compatible with the new furnace. If you're only changing the air conditioner, you can keep your old furnace if it's compatible. But remember, if you upgrade the furnace later, it must work with the air conditioner that you plan to install. Another reason for replacing just one at a time is if the other part is still pretty new or working fine. You've probably heard the saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The important thing is that your heating and cooling needs are met, whether you stick with your current gear or go for the new stuff. Lastly, there's the just because factor. It's always your call. Replacing your air conditioner and furnace has advantages, but it should match what you want. We hope this helps you figure out the best move for your situation. For more details, check out the link in the description below. And thanks for tuning in.